welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Ahi and welcome to the third episode of this series, which is called It's Designer Love, and I am creating 7 different makeup looks using only one palette, this one by MAC Cosmetics, It's Designer. So for today's makeup look, I was thinking to create a smoky eye and complete it with red bold lips. So let's begin. Firstly, prime my eyes, and I will be using this eyeshadow primer by NYX Cosmetics Proof It. And using a crease eyeshadow brush, I will take the black eyeshadow and I'll apply it into my crease and slightly buff it up to my brow. Now the same black color I'll apply all over my eyelid, but I'm applying less pressure and less color as I'm going towards the inner part of my eye. So now I know it looks kind of messy, but don't worry, we will be applying 2 different shimmer colors on top of that. So the first color that I want to apply on the outer part of my eyelid will be the Gallerina, and next to it the High Concept, which is this beautiful silver color. And firstly I'll apply them with my finger, and then to make the color more intense I'll just take a flat brush and go on top of that. And on my lower lashes I will be taking again from this palette the black color, and here on the other part of my lower lashes I will take the silver color High Concept and apply it again with a pencil brush. Now for the lashes I'll just curl them and use a mascara, and I will be taking this one by LANCOME and apply it on my upper and lower lashes. So now we just have a few steps to complete this look, and I will be applying some blush, and I'll take this one from Estee Lauder. It is a beautiful rosy blush, and to apply this I will be taking my favorite blush brush from Zoeva in the number 126 and apply some of that here on the apples of my cheeks. And for highlighter I will go and use this beautiful highlighter from LANCOME, and I will take this brush from Jeffree Star and apply some of that highlighter. Okay, and now for the lips, I will go and shape them and just slightly fill them with this lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics in Immortal, and then go with my favorite lip paint from L'Oreal, this beautiful bright red color. And by the way, a review I have on these lip pencils I will be linking down below, so make sure you check that out. And this is the final result. It is a classic, beautiful smoky eye with bold red lips. Let me know in the comments below if you like this makeup look. We still have 4 makeup looks to create, so make sure you like this video, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!